I bet you won't turn away you went now. I bet you won't turn away you went now. I bet you won't turn away you went now. I bet you won't turn away you went now. I bet you won't turn up, show where you from. I bet you won't turn up, show where you from. I bet you won't turn up.
What it do, what it is, what it will be, man. You know who it is. It's your boy Turbo 504 back with another video. Dropping that bomb on that ass. Man, I'm here at the Pre YouTube Callout meet and greet or whatnot like that. Man, this shit is already packed as hell. I'll make this thing quick, man. Y'all know what I'm gonna do. Show y'all the sights and the sounds. Well, not really the sounds, because I'm gonna get copyright. But show y'all the sights and the folks and whatnot who's here. Yeah, show the nice little whips that's around here and everything like that. All the folks, YouTubers that came out and what you know, whoop-de-whoop. Do all of that stuff. Yeah, they already acting a fool over here. So we're gonna go ahead and get to this video. Let y'all know what's going down. You know who it is, man. It's your boy Turbo 504 bringing you that turbo life. All right, holla back. Got a bone to pick with your ass. What you want? Nigga. Going down, man.
Pretty good, cooler.
Shit. Turbo.
What's that? Yeah, talk about every day, nigga.
Hold up. Who the fuck? I know that ain't scared of black, nigga. God damn it, nigga! What the hell? What's going down, man? I'm doing good, sir. I'm doing good. How you doing? I see. I'm seeing. I like this. I like this. I thought I wasn't gonna like it, but I like it. You know what? You got that boot approval, baby. The boot approval, baby. Yes, indeed.
They walking back there because the damn track house.
Fuck a track hawk. Fuck a track hawk. Hold on, sir. Is you ready for that race, sir? Is you ready for that race, sir? No, don't give me that bullshit. Don't talk all that. No, you were talking all that. You were talking all that yeah. Now you were talking all that yeah.
It's not even done.
It ain't even done.
Hold on, man. Hold on. Let me see that camera, man.
Hold on.
All right, so look here, man. The man said he wants to race with people. That motherfucker, y'all got this on that trailer?
I mean, I still get out there, but the car's not done. It's not done.
Sound like motherfucking excuses, man.
I mean, that did sound like excuse, sir.
Car sitting in the car.
Hey,
Excuses like assholes. Everybody got one.
It ain't his only car. He got another one. He can pull out. I'm just saying.
But is it that fast?
That bike got race. He gave me the hit. He gave me the go.
I can go get a quick tour real quick with the pedal control. So
I'm just saying, sir, because you was talking out of yin yang, sir. You know what I'm saying?
I thought my car would be done. But
you trying to make my prayers feel some type of way. You know what I'm saying? I'm just saying.
Hey, then look. Then he said, look. He said SS Cherokee comment on the page. He said he wanted the SS2.
I never said that.
Oh no. You want the SS2?
He's capping like a motherfucker.
You want the SS2?
He wants the SS.
Ooh, I'm telling Cherokee. I'm telling Cherokee when I see her. So you racing two cars is what you trying to say. You want both of the smoke.
I ain't bringing both of them.
We gonna
Hey,
see.
he ready.
We gonna see.
He ready, man.
We gonna see. Yeah, damn. I like that. I like that, bro.
I just said 20 minutes.
Call man, where you going, man?
You said, huh?
I was going to do it. I said, I got to finish.
Yeah, Louisiana. Lafayette.
Uptown.
Uptown, New Orleans?
Yes, sir.
Man. I got people in the night walk, Florida Project, DTF.
All right.
Yeah. Only them two. Only these two. What up, boy? Yeah, they on their way.
What's happening, sir?
What's going on? You doing all right?
Yes, sir.
Man,
What is he,
chilling,
Brad?
man.
Because I've been looking for his ass. Cause
Down there with the door open, you don't see it?
I can't see his ass through these motherfucking
Yeah,
crowds.
you can see that goddamn door open right there. Come on,
Nigga,
man. What's
oh,
going on?
I told you I was coming, boy.
Man, already.
I had to leave my Sierra at home, but I have it out there at the track tomorrow.
Oh yeah, definitely.
Different games, you already know, man.
Yeah, I'm ready for the slow fast race.
What's slow fast race?
Nigga, my car's slow as fuck. You know that.
You always come with something.
My nigga, you know my car's slow
Some
as
type
fuck.
of excuse.
Dude, you know my car's slow as fuck. Come on, man. It's do 0 to 60 in 30
Yeah,
seconds.
let's get right there. Yeah.
Nigga, I'm way over there, nigga. Shit. It's 10 bucks. Yeah, well, at least I had to save $10. That's where Damn, I finally found the zebra.
Yeah, man. Tell them folks to subscribe to Royalty on 24s, man.
Yeah, there y'all better hell.
20. What's your channel at, man?
Oh, that's Turbo Life 504, baby. You know, that's who it is. That's what it will be. All day, every day. Please subscribe. Please go subscribe, because nigga trying to get monetized.
right now, man.
I know this ain't who I think this is in front of me.
Go ahead and type it in, bro. Who that is? Who that is in front of you?
I know this ain't who I think this is in front of me.
Look.
Acting all scared like he don't see me.
What's going on now, Turbo Life?
Yeah,
Turbo Life, man. Come on, good.
there you go.
What's
Who
going
this?
down, bro?
This that nigga that said he wanted to smoke with the goddamn ridiculous and
Hey,
shit.
man, get your Yoda beats today, man.
Just say it.
Say, man, it's your boy ATRD, Mr. Ooh-wee.
Yes, sir.
I dust no smoke. You
Yes,
know what
sir.
I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
You want the smoke? Come see me, man.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Early.
Okay.
Early in the morning, man.
Early. Hold up. Fuck with that turbo. Fuck you. I ain't got a V8. Shit.
Got Nova Life of GQ, man.
Ma'am. I know you ain't gonna pass by me and not say nothing. Okay, we gonna talk. Like I said, it's your boy Turbo 504 with that Turbo Life. Man, y'all go subscribe to my channel. Please go subscribe to his channel. But I need to subscribe to mine first because I need to get monetized. He already monetized, goddammit. Ma'am, hold up, goddammit.
Wait, you about to park right here?
This little celebrity right here.
I'm just...
Come this way. Cause you. How you doing, Miss T Rose? I finally get to say hey to your ass, even though you've been ducking and dodging me for the longest time.
Wait, how?
You been ducking and dodging my ass for the longest time, goddamn it. Every time your ass came to Dallas, I find out later when I see you.
It don't matter, he gonna video.
Get out the way. Get out the way that whole
That's what I'm saying.
You got a pass. Why you
It
gonna
don't matter, he can't pass. He ain't about to, that trailer's not about to. He gonna drop them
You
off.
gotta be in the house, so she call me bro all the time.
No, you call me.
He ain't put it on the trailer just for show. I mean, he could, yeah, but I can tell you right now what the hell he got in that engine is not gonna just sit pretty. It's gonna hit the track. I can tell you that right now. That motherfucker gonna hit the goddamn track.
So Nova, so you have to have race fuel? Or
yeah, because I'm still on stock injectors.
so if they have race fuel at the track, you can race it?
Yeah.
Because I think
They gonna have race.
You said gonna be fuel there?
Yeah.
But then, yeah.
You should race.
So I can put my whole EBT card in on you. I'm just saying. I can put that EBT card on you then, right?
That's cute. Oh my god.
It's cute. I give it to her. It's cute.
Nigga, I'm still waiting on the rematch for your ass.
It's cute.
I'll give it to you. Thank you.
I don't want no smoke.
Let them have it.
That's how you gonna smell. Fresh paint.
Fresh paint. Fresh paint. Yes, indeed. I know. Now she already on my hit list anyway. That's okay. I still love her though.
Y'all, I shouldn't even be out here. It's hot.
Yeah, they made me park all the way in Timbuktu. I like, oh, so you ain't gonna let me in? Oh, okay then. I'm cool. They wasn't gonna let me in though. That, you know what? I'm fine with that. I'm fine with that. I walk. I ain't that well known yet. I ain't got that celebrity status like Miss T Rose. I ain't got that celebrity status yet. That's okay. One day I will. How did he? Oh hell, that's man. I'm pissed off. racing, right?
Boy, if you don't set that.
So we not racing?
I'm gonna record that. I got you.
EBT card on. You heard me?
Last time, man.
Tesla. Oh, my bad. My bad.
What's the last name? Okay. You raced him like last year. Yeah. I told him to pay attention. Yeah, I told him.
What's up, Josh?
Yeah.
Still going down, man. I ain't seen you ass in 15,000 years, goddamn.
Oh, yeah.
I know, nigga. That's I mean, I don't know why you trying to compete with that motherfucker right there. I don't know. That Mero, you know, just saying. You racing, right?
Yeah.
Who you racing?
You'll see, man.
Who you racing?
Stay tuned.
No. Who the fuck you racing?
Stay tuned.
It might be me. Just saying. I'm just saying. I'm just saying. Servo. You can't have the sun. So you know you the reason I can't use my real name, right? I'm just saying, nigga. I'm just saying, nigga, but that's all right, though.
Got it first.
I'm just saying. You lucky.
Appreciate you, brother.
Yeah. You going tomorrow?
Yes, sir.
You racing?
Yes, sir.
So I can put my EBT card on you then, right?
Yeah,
I'm
exactly.
racing CJO 32.
I'm putting my EBT card on you then.
I got you.
Yeah. Hey, nigga, we gonna collect, bro. We gonna eat good tonight. I ain't playing with you, man.
Take it, love.
You know it, nigga. You know it. Yeah. I had to mess with that nigga too. Cause they were doing that rev up shit. I said, hold on, let's hear the Tesla. Oh shit. Look. This nigga.
This guy.
This nigga. No, not this guy. This nigga.
This guy. Echo and check.
There she go.
You know, it's a little cloudy outside, but no matter the weather, this guy.
Winter, summer, fall, or spring.
I'm in that thing.
You heard me?
Well, okay, I'm 24, man.
God dang. It's toy. No, you didn't know toy.
I just saw Shaker T up there. Y'all see Shaker T?
No.
She at the front. She at the front up there.
We're lazy. We're not walking.
We for real.
She right there in the front to the right.
Didn't you just hear we say we lazy? Didn't you? Look, I know they revving real loud.
Yeah.
They revving real loud, but we lazy. Lazy. Like real lazy.
Give it to him, Corey. Who
the hell is Corey? Who the fuck is that?
RTL 25. Tell him what it is.
You know what it is. Money bag, the full of king. Winter, summer, fall, and spring. I'm in that thing. Y'all holler at royalty on 24. That's my channel. Let's get it. That's his channel.
That's his channel. Yeah.
Man, you know your boy, major pressure. No matter the weather, I'm gonna pull up and apply pressure. You dig?
Oh, Lord.
You know, my channel is major space pressure _24. Man.
Y'all heard what he said.
Y'all heard him. Y'all heard.
Pressure, just surprise little
Pressure.
What we got right here?
Man, y'all know what it is and what it will be. It's your boy Turbo 504. I bring you that turbo life. Man, I don't drop bangers, but I drop them bombs on your ass. You heard me? Oh, baby, it's a nuclear bomb. You heard?
Show with everything. Y'all
Got a whole talk show, baby, but it's a Cajun thing because y'all wouldn't understand it. You feel me?
You feel me? Man, black space tuxedo 22, man. I'm telling you, I got the baddest Lexus LS460 in the game, man.
But he still want that smoke, though.
Brother, you can catch the smoke. It's
I'm
over,
saying.
man.
I ain't walking that far.
I can't late, you know what I'm saying? Hey, but it's coming, man. After that challenge.
I'm just saying, you ready for that smoke? You ready for it? No, you ready for it because you been talking shit.
Hey, I have.
You been talking shit.
Shit, brother.
You been talking all that shit.
But I ain't
You better. I hope you took some laxative for all the shit you been talking shit.
I'm still constipated, brother.
You gonna be real constipated, nigga, when you see them tail lights.
Bro, come on, brother.
But you know what it is, man. You look, man. It's your boy Turbo 504, man. I had to talk shit to my boy Black Tuxedo, man.
Yeah.
Look, man, y'all go subscribe to my channel, cause the nigga trying to get monetized. I ain't got my, you know what I'm saying? So help me, help you, help me. So you know what I'm saying?
Hey, black space tuxedo 22, brother. Follow me, cause a nigga trying to get monetized around here, brother.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
God damn.
Follow me. Help me.
Nigga! Oh, god damn! Damn, what's going on? Yeah, you heard me, baby? What that? Who it is? Who it is?
Yes, the fastest stock Hellcat out to you.
Y'all heard me?
Come get at me tomorrow. Make sure y'all Hellcat.
Hey, nigga, you ready for that? You ready for that shit, nigga?
Bro.
Hey, hold on, wait a minute. Let me tell you something, nigga. I've been wanting to get at your ass too, cause you been talking hell, man. You been talking slick shit.
Man,
You been talking slick.
Slick shit, cause I back that shit up.
Hey, nigga. Hey, nigga. When I get up on that track, it's gonna be a race. It's gonna be the slowest, fastest race in the motherfucking world. I'm telling you that right now.
I give you a head start right now.
You gonna have to give me like 10, 20 car links. Look, nigga, look, you know my car goes 0 to 60 in 2 minutes. Huh? My car's parked in Timbuktu. I wasn't.
Hey, bro, my car way over there, bro.
I got a fucking Fusion. Hey, look, I ain't too proud to say I got a fucking Fusion. That shit's slow. It got a turbo, but it's slow.
It got one turbo.
Turbo got a turbo, but goddamn it, it's slow. You know what I'm saying? I ain't playing. Who the fuck is this nigga?
Well, you know the fuck I am, nigga. Say from lines,
Say Fulano. Say Fulano.
What's up, man?
Hey, drip check.
Hey, drip check.
Yes, sir. Hold up. Hold up. He known for rocking Jordans, but I also rock a Fela. Hold up, baby.
Hey, that's what I said. But who rocking the gold shoes though, bro?
Y'all ain't. Hey, everybody got big money like that.
Ain't nobody messing, bro.
Nigga, ain't everybody got that stimulus check.
I didn't get my stimulus check, bro.
Everybody ain't got that stimulus check yet.
Shoot, I know people who got 2 stimulus checks. I can't even get my 1.
But
That boy Hellcat slick, man. But y'all see, man. Y'all follow.
Make y'all stay tuned for the world, man. It's gonna be a show. It's gonna be
boy,
forget the show. It's gonna be a straight movie out here. You heard me?
man,
We deep in the job.
you heard me?
Y'all follow my channel too, bro. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, man.
Man, Black Space Tuxedo 22. Yes, man.
Y'all get my boy, man.
Got that Lexus. You know what I'm saying? Hey, he talking about race.
Look, he got a Lexus, I got a Fusion. We still gonna race.
That's what I need to see right
Yo, that shit.
Ford versus Lexus.
Hey, nigga, hold up, but wait a minute. Wait a minute. But we gotta do a rolling start because
Rolling start, I'm gonna get you from a dig, bro.
No, cause my transmission is say it don't do that. No, it don't do digs. My transmission says no. Cause if I try to do from a dig, my transmission gonna say fuck you. You know what I'm saying? No. So we got. Let me do a roll. You can do a dig. How about that?
All right, bro. How about I give you a 5-second head start?
Bet.
Bro,
Bet, bro.
Bet.
Bet, bro.
you treating your whole car.
Huh?
I'm a walking, bro. I'm a walking, bro.
Look at her.
I'm a walking, bro.
Look,
Hold on.
my car is a Fred.
That bitch started.
Nigga, my car is a Fred Flintstone car. Goddamn it, what you talking about? Nigga, I gotta push start that hoe, nigga. I ain't playing with you. Oh, there that nigga go. There that nigga go.
That guy right there.
Hold up, no, cause you was talking that slick shit.
Hold up. Choice.
Hold on, you be talking that slick shit, cause he wanted to race Rihanna.
Hey, my car's not done yet.
No.
Hey, car's not done yet.
Nah, nigga. Nah, you was talking all that slick shit. You was this nigga was on my podcast talking slick shit.
Hey, I thought the car would be done, but it's not done yet.
Watch out, bro. Watch out, bro. You better get ran over.
Shit, I got good insurance.
But do they got insurance?
They better have. Shit. Cause they gonna pay to get me a new Hellcat. Hey, don't get it. Hey. Yes, indeed. No, nigga, Turbo Life, nigga, Turbo TV is the other nigga. Wrong nigga. Wrong Turbo, bro.
What's going on, man?
Oh, snap.
That right skin nigga fail.
Huh? Damn, I feel some type of way. Queen Tiger?
Queen Tiger?
Shit.
It's like needing a superstar.
I know what I'm saying.
Yeah. Dre, brother. Yes, sir. I can't see you, brother.
We can't see you, nigga. We can't see you.
We can't see you, brother.
We can't see you. We can't see you.
Hey, that's what it's for.
I can stop getting copyrighted, goddammit. Hey, brother, y'all got too much copyright going around here, bro. You know what I'm saying? Y'all better give me copyright, bro.
Everything is getting copyrighted out here, bro.
Oh, what you saying? Shit. Hey, look, y'all better watch my videos. It's gonna be like a 1920s movie. You ain't gonna have no sound. Nigga, you gonna have
Put your own sound.
look, you gonna have a little lip sync and then the words come at the bouncing balls. Shit. You gonna have a bouncing ball? Hell yeah. You gonna have them lip and then you gonna see the words come after they finish. This shit. We're gonna do this shit like goddamn comic book. Man. I said, I got my whole EBT card on your ass. If you lose, I don't eat. If I don't eat, that's your ass.
I don't have tires, but I'll do the best I can do. You know what I'm saying?
I'm telling you right now, you better do right, nigga. This a whole EBT card on your ass. You understand me? Whole EBT, nigga. This nigga think I'm playing. What up, bro? This nigga think I'm playing. Goddamn, hold on. How much? I got the whole EBT card. The whole EBT. Hey, bro, what's that number? That's why you don't know the PIN number anyway. Hey bro, what's that PIN number? None of your damn business. I tell y'all coming. Man, that all post notifications. So you know smash. That was time. Like this. You know you with Lucky, Wheels, and Deal. My nigga. But guess what? Good dude, great dude, genuine person, a player partner. Hey, VIP on my list.
That's what's up.
Skit coming soon. Exclusive coming soon. Just for you. I'm putting the damn costume on. Man, Lucky Wheels and Deal. Y'all see it, right? Alright, bro. I'm gonna do another one for you in the costume. Alright. Another one for you in the costume. Alright. I'm gonna put that costume on, make sure you fuck with me, bro. Alright. Alright. What happened? I'll be not gonna get off shit.
Hey, you going on tour? We're gonna take this on tour, man. Let's go.
Hey, you done got these 5 girlfriends just over there, right there.